Alright everyone, it's time for us to go ahead and unbox the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Now, I talked about this in some other videos, but this release was very weird because the boxes came in the weirdest condition. Now, I don't know if you were able to tell over the camera, but this box actually had a bunch of marks all over it when I took this box out of the specific box it was in, and I looked at it and was able to swipe a few off. It's actually just the cardboard. So that was very, very weird. I've never had that happen with a box I was unboxing, especially with an Apple Watch box, which usually come in good condition. Now this is the SE model. It is I actually don't know, the Starlight color, so it should, I think, be the white one. Now I unboxed my Series 8 a little bit earlier, and these watches came to me very late today. I was expecting them, to come a little bit earlier, and very unfortunate they came out later. So with every single Apple Watch unboxing, we typically have the watch up top, and we have the band at the bottom. I don't know why I got the yellow one. I have no idea what I was thinking. But within the top box, we have a little bit of a better built box than the bottom one. That's the thing I've been able to tell for the most part. So unboxing this top portion, you can see we can go and unbox the top. We can go ahead and slide the bottom portion, but it just takes a little bit of a weirder experience to kind of unbox. I don't know what it is with these ones. They just typically don't fall out exactly how I want them to. We have the Apple Watch right here. Now unboxing this bad boy, I will definitely tell you, I don't think it's going to be that much different than the Apple Watch SE 1, in terms of the external, but the internals is where the bigger difference is. Unlike with the Apple Watch Series 8 and 7, I don't think there's that big of a difference here. You can see with this specific watch, if we go and kind of boot it up, looking around it, I don't think it's going to be, like I said, a massive difference from the original Apple Watch SE, but the main differences are internals. If we go from the SE 1 to the SE 2, the big difference is with the chipset. I mean, it's pretty crazy. The Series 7, Series 8, I mean, the S8 to S7 chip is not that big of a difference, but this watch is actually really happy, this watch is really nice. The rest of the watch, we have basically just our standard charger there, which is really cool, and that is it for this portion. Now with the band, like I said, I don't know why I got the yellow band. I should have probably got a darker one, but it's okay, whatever. If we go ahead and kind of unbox this top portion, I can go and flip it open like this. Go ahead and pull out the bottom portion. I can go and pull out the bottom portion like this, and you can see for yourself that internally, I should have probably not done it this way, but we have the standard little, band itself right here, which is really nice. So, like I said, I wish I got like the other one, but this one is totally cool as well. And to connect it to your Apple Watch SE, all you have to do is go and grab it from here, latch it to the bottom and top, and that is pretty much how you do it. So, personally, I'm super excited about this watch. I think it's going to be a great placeholder for the next few years for this Apple Watch SE lineup. If they can replace it in the next 2 years, that'd be great. I could see them probably keeping it for another year or so, whatever, but honestly, that's the Apple Watch SE 2 unboxing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.